Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone security settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to lock your SIM card in order to protect your SIM card should in case your phone get lost or stolen. And as a result of that, by the time you lock your SIM card, anybody that found the phone will not be able to have access to your SIM card. And as a result of that, you are being protected from getting scammed from and as a result of that, you have been protected from getting access to some of the sensitive information on your phone through your SIM card. And this is one of the best security you can give your Android phone right now. So for that, let me quickly show you on how to lock your SIM card. So for that, go ahead and make sure you look for Phone Master on your Android phone. So right here, I have my Phone Master right here. So go ahead and look for Phone Master. So right here, Phone Master. Or better still, you can come to the search right here and type in phone. So just like so, you have the app right here. Go ahead and click on it. For every Android phone, there is always a Phone Master. And this is where you have to get it done to lock your SIM card in order to protect your SIM card. On getting to your Phone Master, scroll down right here. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on privacy. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure you click on privacy and security right here. So go ahead and click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to come down below right here. Go ahead and click on SIM lock right here. Just like so. If you are using dual SIM, then you can decide any of the SIM that you want to lock right here. So for that, so I'm using 2 SIM right here. So if I want to lock the first SIM right here, what I need to do is to just go ahead and turn on this particular button right here, and this is going to pump up. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter 4-digit number that you will always remember each time you want to replace the SIM or you want to insert the SIM in another phone, because anybody that have access to this SIM card, if they change the SIM to another phone, they're going to ask for the password, and as a result of that, they do not have the password, the SIM is going to enter punk after try on 3 times. So you that have the SIM card, make sure you enter a 4-digit number you always remember. Then once you enter the 4-digit number, go ahead and hit on OK and confirm the PIN, and the SIM card is going to be locked. Should in case your phone get lost, or you misplace your SIM, or you misplace your phone, or you get your SIM gets lost, anybody that have access to the SIM without a passcode right here that you used to lock the SIM, they will not have access to the SIM card. And as a result of that, you are being protected from being theft from sensitive information as a result of your SIM card. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about security tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.